Technique, the all-in-one fence software built to make your business work smarter, not harder. Welcome to the step-by-step guide on how to create an installer user using the Elite Technique system. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the full process, from setting the user profile and assigning the right projects and tasks to the right installer, to changing the new user's password and verifying that these credentials work. Whether you're onboarding a new crew member or updating project/task assignments, this guide will help you keep your operations organized, secure, and running smoothly. Let's get started. To begin creating a new user, start by clicking on the 9-dot menu icon located at the top left corner of your screen. Scroll down until you find the Settings tab, then click on it. Next, look for the Manage Users option and select it. Here, you can view and edit all the users that have been previously created in your system. Click on Create to create a new user from scratch. Enter the new user's name and email address. Since the user we are creating is an installer user and not a regular user of the system, we need to restrict our new user to see only the projects and tasks assigned to him or her. So first, scroll all the way down until you find Restrict Project Task. Make sure to check off the box next to it. This initial step is crucial to ensure that this user will only see the projects or tasks that have been assigned to him or her. Finally, don't forget to hit Save to complete the process. At this point, we need to manually reset the new user's password in order to be able to log in as him or her to verify access and functionality, or to send this user his or her credentials to access the system. Click on Action and select Change Password from the drop-down menu. Set a secure new password, then click on Change Password to confirm. This step is essential to ensure the new user has proper access to their account. Now log in as the newly created user to verify that everything is set up correctly. At this stage, the new installer user will have access to the Project tab, but it will be empty since no projects or tasks have been assigned to this user yet. So let's assign a project. Log back into the system with your own credentials, then navigate back to the Project tab. We'll use the project titled Test Project 1. Click on the 3 dots in the upper right corner of the project box and select Edit. We then click on Settings, locate the Crew section, and assign the project to the new user by selecting or typing their name. Once you hit Save, the assigned project should now be visible when logged in as the new user. So let's refresh and verify that the changes have been applied and everything is working correctly. Now we can go back to our own profile once again. Go into the Projects module and choose a project that has tasks in it, and assign the pertinent tasks to the new installer user we just created. There's more than one way to do this, but for this tutorial, we will just click on the project and then we click on the task and hit Edit to assign this task to our new user. Once again, we go back to our new user's profile and refresh the page. He or she should now be able to see not only the project, but also the task or tasks that have been assigned to this new installer user. Thank you very much.